going to do 33 kapalbhatis counting in descending order, followed by 1 Agnisar, 3 sets. So we will have finished 99 kapalbhatis counted in descending order from 33 to 1 and 3 Agnisars. Okay? Awesome. Let's begin. For Agnisar, palms on the knees, elbows out like wings. Inhale fully. Exhale completely. Pull the abdomen in. You applied a Udiyan and Udiyan Bandha and chin lock. Jalandhar Bandh. Now, holding the exhalation, abdomen out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. The moment you want to inhale, you will stop Agnisar. Obviously, the Udiyan Bandh will open and the Jalandhar Bandh opens. All right? And we immediately, without much drama, restart 33 Kapalbhatis in descending order. Now, please listen to me. In the third set, which is 33 Kapalbhati followed by 1 Agnisar, you will be counting how many times your abdomen went out, in, out, in. One out, in, one in and one out is 1. Which means when you exhale and come into Udyan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh, you start like this, right? In that, you'll be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you'll be come. Let's start with 33 Kapalbhatis. Descending order में count करें. Thank you for bearing up with. Thank you for being in regular practice. Hari Om Tat Sat.